How to use Claude Sonnet 4.5 for coding. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can use Claude Sonnet for your coding. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So the first step that you will need to take here is open up Claude Sonnet. So let's head over to claude.ai. And after you're on claude.ai, you will need to make sure that you're on Sonnet 4.5. So let's let that load. And to check if you're on Claude or Sonnet 4.5 or not, you can find the option right here. So if you press on it, you'll find other models as well. If you're on other models, simply choose Sonnet 4.5. And now you can start typing in. Now, to give it coding questions, you will actually need to give it prompts. So here you can write a Python code to to input any number and output its multiplication to. So if I type this, it should give me the code where we give it a number and it presents us with the multiplication table. So there you can see this is how it's going to work, and this is the code. I can copy this and paste it and run it as well. Now this is not only limited to this, we can also write it, give me HTML and CSS for a simple website for a dog shelter. So I just give it this much. It should, uh, start coding. It will also give me, uh, you know, view of the page, how it's gonna look like, and everything else. So as you can see, it's writing its HTML now, and it's doing it quite nicely. And after you finally found your HTML and CSS, you can tap on the copy button and then copy it and paste it somewhere else. So yeah, it's that simple. You can there you can see the default. You can see how your website is gonna look like, and there are you can add features as well. Let me just close that. You can add features as well in this. You can keep on updating this website again and again. And yeah, this is how you can ask Claude AI to code for you. And that's it for today. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.